Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The JCDC Festival competition title sponsors Tasty handed over a check of $7.5 million last week Thursday to the Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport.
We are happy to welcome Tasty on board as a lead sponsor. I will say we are back together again because Tasty in the 80s, they were the main support for the festival song competition, and I'm happy that Tasty is now back partnering with the JCDC to promote the festival song competition.
This year, a record number of entries were received, with over 200 entries submitted across the island, an increase of over 200% on the previous year's entries.
Festival Song 2018 this year, I think we have reached a stage where we have selected 10 finalists, but just to give you a little background, before that, we really tried to engage the creative talent community, including producers, songwriters, to come on board and participate in this year's festival song competition.
The competition will carry an overall prize purse of $10 million, which will be shared among the performers, the songwriters and producers, with the top 10 finalists also receiving prize packages. Social media personality turned stand-up comedian Major Hype performed for the Jamaican public last week Friday. His performance was the first of 2 comedy shows as part of his ongoing Are You Dumb tour. Comedian Dufton Shepherd and social media personality Quite Perry were the opening acts of the night, while the event was hosted by Dottie Berry. Major Hype first took the stage as himself, and he kept the crowd entertained with the accents ranging from Haitian to Trinidadian, Bajan and African before transforming into popular characters Ras and Mitzi. Agent Sasko and DJ Bambina and Elaine gave their take on the show.
I appreciate the fact that, stand-up is not necessarily a staple in our culture, and so, I really commend him for, expanding the offering to this kind of act.
Everything I expected, it was great. I mean, I was crying at some points, so I really enjoyed it. One of my brethren as well.
I thought it was great, and the turnout was awesome as well. Very celebratory vibe. Everybody was high. Laughter is the best medicine.
International stars Sting and Shaggy are now #1 on the Billboard Reggae albums chart. Their 12-song album 44876 sold over 10,227 copies since being released on April 21. 44876 features collaborations with Sly and Robbie, Idonia, Morgan Heritage, Agent Sasko, among others. The album also debuted at #1 in Germany, Poland, Australia and entered the UK national chart at #1 last Friday. Shaggy is set to join Sting on his European summer tour in June. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.